I'm Ailana Haroff, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the Poyntonia Portal to upload content featuring a pointing antenna. There are three things that you can upload. You can upload speed test photographs, you can upload speed test videos, and you can upload antenna installation videos. So I'm going to use the speed test video option to show you what to do. Before you start, you will join by clicking on this left button, and you'll see you get some reward for joining, and that's just a place where you register, you give your email address and a password. That's it. Once you've registered and logged in, you will see that this button becomes an upload button, and there's a place to upload, so you could click on any of these buttons, or you can just go to upload speed test to upload a speed test video, and then you will find the radio button that you can click to upload your speed test video. Next is a screen where you can just give us some information, so it's auto-filled with your email address, and then you can tell us your story. So you'll see you get in this grey area here, you get a little bit of points, and points is money for every form that you or field that you complete. So let's start with the story, and I'm just actually copying and pasting from the story I typed before, that I don't bore you with typing. So my installation or my speed test video that I did was at a friend's house. She uses an Omni 600, which I suggested to her because she couldn't connect to, she didn't have a good enough connection to use the Teams video that was required by work, and that to upload and download files through a VPN connection. So that's the first part of the form that you fill in. And then you've got to fill in or just show a screenshot of your speed without antennas, and there's a screenshot of speed after you've connected the antenna. And if you don't know where to do a speed test, you can go to our toolbox, and we link you to a speed test software here. So you can just go and do your speed test using, I think we're using speedtest.net. Then you can pick out of the list which antenna you've got, and if you don't know, there's an option right at the bottom. We'll probably be able to see which antenna it is from your video, but it must be a pointing antenna, very important. We don't pay for other people's antennas. And then it's a Huawei I think it was a B315 router, which is using. Where's your antenna installed? And it was installed at Nordersdrift, South Africa. And then lastly is the video. So I'm going to upload the video now, just to give you a quick overview of what we expect in a video. Don't worry too much about the time. I mean, if it's a bit longer, we just don't want an hour video. So a shortish video of 5 to 7 minutes is fine. And there's a little bit of a checklist just to read through to give you an idea what we want to see in a video. It doesn't have to have all these items, but this is what we meant with a speed test video. Next is some tips, mainly that you keep your phone horizontal instead of vertical, so that we can share it on YouTube and that you can actually watch it on a TV. And this is the format we suggest. Also, we suggest that you talk us through what you're doing or seeing. Just makes it so much easier. If you really don't like your voice on a recording, or you don't want to talk, you can add subtitles or music, but preferably subtitles, that we just know what's going on. So I'm going to upload the video. There's my video. And then I've got to now multiply my points. So we pay you. You've now earned a certain number of points by doing all this. You see there for the video alone, you earned 120 points. But you can multiply these points by sharing on your social media platforms. And we have 6 platforms here, but we will only pay you for the top 4. So you can share everywhere you want, but we'll pay you for the top 4. And I shared mine on YouTube. So first of all, I've got to go and look at the number of subscribers. And I've got 38 subscribers, and I'm going to get my link here as well while I'm there. So I'll first tick on YouTube, then type in my number of subscribers, and then I paste my link here. And the only other place I shared it was on Facebook. My number of friends are 150, and I'm going to share my link here, copy my link. So that will be 150, and my link there. And then to end it off, just a little bit of a summary. So You can just type in what the results were. The performance will be much better. Right, and then I'm going to submit. And while I submit, I just want to show you this field. It's this part of the site. It's called the multiply section. If you want to know how many users or how many followers or how many subscribers you need to be multiplied with, to get your points multiplied with, you can go and look there. Also my subscription. This is just the multiply section where we show you if you've got 250 Facebook followers, you multiply by 1.1. And here's an example as well. And then another thing I wanted to show was, let me just look at the next one. Show you this bar at the top. So this banner at the top shows the points that we are currently giving out. This is the first phase of this website. We're seeing how it works, and as we start spending the money, we will actually reduce this amount until this is run over, and then it's over and done with. So please take part quickly. Anyone with questions can email marketing@poynting.co.za. And there's also contact details there that you can use, and we look forward to seeing your submissions. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.